shipping changes.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome into the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Update number 2 is going to be the multi-user access, where you can give employees access to your account, to your eBay account, without giving them full access to like your financials, your PayPal, transferring money, paying the invoices, etc. They will first have access to listings. That's drafts, editing, and publishing. And then later this year, I think October, they're gonna have access in order to do like promoted listings, promotions, and shipping packages, printing labels. So those will come later. Right now it's just going to be drafts, editing, and publishing, which is pretty much what all of us hire listers or VAs or helpers to do anyway. So what I want to do is take you over to my eBay account, show you where those preferences are, where you can add an employee and how to do it. But it's a pretty awesome update from eBay. Everyone was asking for it, and it is actually active right now as of August of 2019. Today's actually July 30th, but when you see this video, it might be the 31st or August 1st. So update number 2 is multi-user access on eBay. I'm gonna take you over and check it out. Also, don't forget that I am gonna do an auction, auctioning off all of the cool stuff like the swag bag, maybe my badge if I can find it, the outfit, some of the stuff from eBay Open that we had, some of the thrifted goods for the throwback party. All that stuff will be available for auction soon. I'll update you guys when I put it on my eBay account. We're gonna donate some of the money to, or all of the money for this, and I'm gonna donate some of my money to a no-kill shelter via the SPCA. So this stuff will be available. That will go to charity. And in addition, I'm gonna put my mentorship and training programs below. Anybody that buys that, I'll match some of that money to go to the charity as well. So check those links out down below. Let's go over to eBay and check out this multi-user access update from eBay. Okay, so I wanna take a look at the authorized user and permissions. So I went ahead and brought up my main eBay account page. Now, obviously I've blacked out some of the financial information that's over there, but you can see to the left-hand side, we have this My Account, My eBay Views, and all of the different options. So we're gonna focus on permissions, and I just went ahead and opened that in a new tab. Now this is on your main home, My eBay, My Account. If you don't know how to get to that, just use this tab, or up in the top left corner under your name. So you can click My Permissions, and that's gonna bring us into the Authorized Users page. Now, my account has no employees. I've not added anyone yet. I waited to do this for this video, and of course I just got back. So authorized users and activity logs. So you're gonna be able to check who you have, and then you'll also be able to check their activity. So I went ahead and opened the authorized users in another tab, and of course it says you have none, so I clicked add one, and that's gonna come over here to this page where we're gonna click to add one. And now we can add their name. I'm just gonna go ahead and add Caitlin. Oops. And then her email address, doesn't matter. You can just do 123 ABC straight. I don't want to put out her email, but I'll go ahead and do it under mine. You all already know my email. It doesn't matter. So I'll go ahead and do that. Create and edit drafts or publish and revise listings. Let's give her credit on both and our permission on both. Add user. And successful, we've added hers. Now the invitation is pending because the person will have to go into their email, and they will accept it. And then that's pretty much it. And then I can go to the activity log and see her activities. However, she doesn't have any, so it's not going to matter. So under authorized users, there it'll be. And now Caitlin will be able to log in and do anything that is under permissions. Now more permissions are coming. Obviously the shipping that I talked about, printing labels, the promoted and promotions and markdown manager to be able to run sales, that will be a permission as well. And that's how simple it is. It's underneath authorized users, and pretty much click and done. The person will go in their email, they'll accept it, and that's the end of it. They're accepted, they're good to go, and now you have somebody that can list, be a VA, be a helper, whatever you need them to do. So authorized users, managed users on eBay is now active for everyone. If you don't see it, call eBay and ask them to refresh and make your account active, but it should be there. There shouldn't be any reason why it isn't showing. All right, guys, that is update number 3. Make sure you check out my description box for updates 1 and 2 and the rest of the updates coming soon. If you don't want to miss a thing, like this video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be putting out all 5 of the major updates over the next 2 days. 2 of them will already be up before this one, and this will be the 3rd one. I apologize for my voice, as I am still trying to get it back. Also, in the description box will be the links for my mentorship and training programs, August to September. They are on sale. They are going fast because I am only one person and can only take so many calls. So do not miss out on them. You use those links below to sign up for them now. You will get all 125 plus training videos, 11 sourcing guides, a year in the VIP group. And if you do the mentorship, you get the video calls. If you do the training, you get everything else without the calls for 50% off. Some of that money will also be added to my donation to the dog charity, to the SPCA No Kill Shelter, that we are going to do a auction of some of the cool stuff that I got from eBay Open. I'm going to auction it off to people that want to buy it, and I'll be donating that money along with it to the shelter. So make sure you are signing up, you are helping your business, invest in yourself, and some of the money will go to a good cause. Thank you guys so much. As always, hit that like button, and I'll see you next time.